What did I buy?
Another bucket.
Another bucket.
Another bucket.
What is it?
A soon-to-be donor.
Soon-to-be donor.
Donor car.
For
That tsunami Celica running.
really?
Yeah, look at it right there.
Blech.
Oh man, runs and drives.
Runs and drives. I picked it up from someone off San Jose Craigslist. Runs and drives, no grinds, Motegi wheels, TRD sides, carbon fiber hood with C1 hood scoop, has a cold air intake, eBay special, that's fucking cracked. TYC taillights. Look at this Gretty muffler though. Woo! Gretty muffler, but here's the catch. Holy shit, thing's messed up. But she does run and drive. That is the most important part. Actually, let's go inside. Joseph's about to leave me here. 6-speed manual. Ugh. Well, here's the, how many? 1, 2, 3. Wait, but what number is this? Okay, I bought my Celica. I bought the carbon blue parts Celica, supercharged Celica, tsunami Celica, and this Celica. That's 5. Okay, I have to stop. I have an addiction and yeah, I need help. But anyways, I bought this Celica off Craigslist. I was checking up on the group chat that I'm in with the NorCal Celica people, and I noticed they shared this $900 2001 Toyota Celica GT-S. Running and driving, but it does have a very bad hit on the passenger side of the vehicle. But before I get to that, I just want to show you guys what exactly I got for $900 and what parts have already been sold. Yes, parts have already been sold. As you can see right here, there's no side skirt. Those have been sold. They were true TRD OEM Toyota side skirts, not replica, not fiberglass, OEM plastic. So what does this car have? 6-speed manual C60. Has an eBay intake. It is cracked because it broke from the bracket. So what Joseph did, thank you Joseph, got my painter's tape out of my Corolla that I'm using to hold down my weather stripping and covered the large hole that was in there. Has a bunch of these red tubes. Check it out. It is a Hotchkiss camber adjustable strut tower bar. So these mount on your top hats, and the shocks on this are TRD shocks with Hotchkiss springs, lowering springs. The 2ZZ has 170 something thousand miles. No grinds on the C60. Nothing. Drives like a dream. Shifts like butter. As you can see, carbon fiber hood is sold. I do not like that style carbon fiber hood. I want to get rid of it ASAP. It has these eBay clear side markers. What else? There's the damage. Damage on the fender, damage on the door, and damage on the quarter panel. So not sure yet what I'm gonna do with that. As we progress through the back, you can see some goodies that I've already removed from the Celica. As you can see, I have a Gretty exhaust. This is an actual exhaust for the Celica, not custom made. That is a Hotchkiss rear sway bar. There is a Hotchkiss front sway bar as well that I haven't removed, but I will be removing. TYC taillights. pretty clean, pretty clean. So TRD side skirts have already been sold. It has GT-S cloth seats. It has this ugly carbon fiber sticker all over the dash. OEM radio, GT-S sport pedals, and it has the upgraded compass and temperature rear view mirror. Has LED in it. I took off the shifter because I was gonna try and put another shift knob, but this one has no threads. It looks like they welded this on because it had this janky looking shift knob. And I took that shit off. But anyways, I bought this car from San Jose and it made its way here. Surprisingly, I thought it wasn't. And then when I go check my rear tires, I find out that there's a lot of wire showing on the rear tires. And the fact that I was able to make this back home still surprises me because of the condition of the tires is very, very poor. But this car was really clean. There's nothing in here that the owner left. I've already checked. There's nothing other than the Gorilla Lock key codes that I had to fucking get off with a Blue Point lug nut extractor because I didn't have the keys and I did not want to pay $20 for 2 locks that I had to buy. Yes, I had to buy 2 separate locks to get all the lug nuts off. But the interior is spotless other than the rips on the carpet, which is typical for these Celicas. Passenger side is really good condition, really good shape. Rear is in really good shape. Unfortunately, the driver's side has seen better days. The foam right here is already separating, so we're gonna go see if we can fix this, do something about it. But yeah, there's these Motegi MR 125, I believe. If you can find me a 4th one, I'm missing one. I need another one. I only have 3, but I'm trying to look for another one. So if you guys know where I could get one, let me know in the comments. Brembo drilled rear discs on both front and rear. What else? I think that's it aftermarket wise. I don't see anything else. Oh, and it also had Hotchkiss rear adjustable camber arms. I believe that's it. At some point it did have an aftermarket radio because this is probably a satellite antenna. I'm not sure. I gotta double check on that. But car started up fine, no issues. I did have to put a little bit of oil in it to bring it back from San Jose, but she's all good. Headlights are pretty good. I gotta buff them out and they should probably give a good shine to them. This side is all nice, no damage to it whatsoever. And I think that's it. I was just gonna make this video quick and short because it is actually getting really dark and I have to go do some things. But yeah, I gotta stop buying these Celicas. I don't know what I'm gonna end up doing with this Celica. If I do end up keeping it, I think I'm gonna grab the Tsunami kit off this Celica, transfer it to this one, and pretty much repaint this Celica. Find that 4th Motegi wheel, put it on those Motegi wheels, and just drive for a couple, I don't know. See, I don't even know right now what I'm gonna do with it, but it's here, it's safe. I'm happy I got a killer deal on it, and yeah, it's another Celica. So yeah, see you guys on the next one. Hopefully I find more these Celicas like this, and you know, when they come with rare parts like this, because I like it. 900 bucks, and I already sold the carbon fiber hood and the side skirts for $150 each. So knock off $300 from the $900, and you're stuck with a $600 Celica here, fully running, and no knocks, no grinds, nothing.